Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to add value, number, text as a superscript. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly select the number, text which you want to as a superscript. So firstly select the cell by double click on the mouse. So after that select the number. For example, I want to subscript -1. So after selecting, so click on home options. So in home options you can see small arrow options in font box. So click on it. So after that here you can see superscript option. So just click on it. So after that click on OK. So you can see -1 is changed as a superscript. So it is the first method. So if you want to add number values as a superscript, so by other method, so just select the cells and then select the number values which you want to as a superscript. So after that click the right side of mouse and here you can see format cell, just click on it and then click on superscript. So after that click on OK. So you can see -2 is changed as superscript. So guys, in this way you can add any text, values, number as a superscript in Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.